How to open the notification center with AssistiveTouch on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now, in order for you to use AssistiveTouch, first you need to activate it. To do so, on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now, from the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Accessibility. After that, we go down and tap on Touch. Next, tap on AssistiveTouch, and then make sure you tap on AssistiveTouch toggle button to turn it on. Now, once it is turned on, we can now go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And whenever you want to open up the notification center, just tap on the AssistiveTouch button, and from the top level menu, tap on Notification Center. So tap on that shortcut, and that will allow you to open or close the notification center without having to swipe down at the top. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.